So just a tip here for anyone that's trying to change their headlights on first generation Skoda Yeti. So basically you've got the cap, which is this thing here, that unscrews from the back there. But what you'll find is that the access is pretty horrible because of the size of the gap. Okay, so what you can do to improve that access is remove this panel here. So what you need is a T27 Torx bit, and you want to undo 1, 2, 3, 4 Torx screws. With this one, you'll also need to, when you remove that, the bonnet stay will come off as well, but that's fine, just unclip it from that end. And the other thing to note is that behind here, this cable here, is the bonnet release cable. That clips to the underside of here. So once you've unscrewed these, you can actually just pop that out as well. That gives you a lot better access into where the headlight is. And you can see the headlight unit in there, you can see the back of the clip. It'll remove that, that plug, and then there's a spring clip in there. And to do the spring clip, you get your finger on it and you push it down and away. So it's down and away. Okay, so you'll feel the bigger bit at the top, push it down and away, and that will release it. Once that's released, you can kind of get your hand in there enough to get the bulb out, replace the bulb, pull the spring clip back up, so up and in to reclip it. Clips on both sides, so you need to make sure you do that. Once it's in, the bulb's nice and secure. You'll know when it's not in properly because the bulb won't be secure. It will rattle about a bit. And then once it's on, then you just need to plug that plug back in again. And you can see in there the headlight bulb itself. That's the angle that it sits at when it's in the right position. So hopefully that'll be it. And then once that's done, screw the cap back on the back, pop this bit back on, and the job is done.